The influx of DIY workshops across the nation is a sight I love to see. With colorful storefronts and beautiful projects hanging inside, the streets have been given a cherry break from yet another pawn shop or gas station. The revolution from the paint and sip culture to a DIY craft workshop setting has been a nice break from the strict painting trend. If you are a DIYer, then you know the feeling of frustration when you are trying to complete a project and can't find the tools that will do it for you. It's not just frustrating, it's also time-consuming. When we have to spend hours looking for one simple thing, we lose precious minutes from our lives, and sometimes even more than that. But if this is something that constantly happens in your life, you should build your own workshop for DIY projects with a custom site-built workshop designed specifically with all your needs in mind. You will never have to worry about where things are again. And because it has been built with DIY projects in mind, everything will be within arm's reach at any given moment. You won't have to worry about time-consuming tasks like searching for your tools either. If only every do-it-yourselfer could afford to have their own workshop, they might be able to save even more time and money than you can believe. When you build your own workshop, it will be built specifically to suit the needs of you and your projects. So, if you need a lot of room for laying out parts before sewing them, then you will have that. Or maybe your clamps won't fit within the space where they are supposed to go, so you need a little extra room for them. No problem, we will design your workshop with all of your needs in mind. And since it's already been built, you won't have any useless space or wasted time using the bathroom, getting drinks from the fridge, or catching up on TV when you really should be working. Everything you could possibly need in your new modular garage will be within arm's reach. So the next time a saw blade breaks, or a drill bit snaps, or a part gets stuck in a wood planter, you will have everything at your fingertips to make it work again. And because it was built specifically for your needs, you won't have to worry about anything other than getting your project done. Of course, if you have ever gone out into the yard or garage with the intention of building something and then changed your mind because there wasn't enough room, or you had to reach for your tools over piles of junk, if this has happened to you more than once, then it's probably time to build your own workshop. And because it will be built specifically for your needs, there won't be so much mess that needs to be cleaned up or objects that could potentially get in the way of your work. Thanks for watching. Until next time.